Imagine a lot of water, but of thick, sticky molasses rushing through city streets, destroying everything in its path. Sounds unbelievable? This is the true story of Boston's most bizarre disaster. January 15, 1990. Boston's North End was bustling. Suddenly, a massive storage tank containing over 2 million gallons of molasses burst, unleashing a deadly flood. A 25-foot high wave of molasses surged at 35 miles per hour, crushing buildings, overturning vehicles, and trapping people and animals in its sticky grasp. The disaster claimed 21 lives and injured 150. Rescue efforts were hampered as workers struggled through knee-deep molasses, making the cleanup arduous and haunting. Investigations revealed the tank was poorly constructed and never properly tested. The tragedy led to stricter regulations, ensuring such negligence wouldn't be repeated. Even today, on warm days, locals claim to smell molasses in the air, a sweet reminder of a bitter past. History is filled with unexpected tales. Subscribe for more stories that surprise and intrigue.